Hello Internet, I'm going to be playing some Lethal Company with one of my friends, and if you like to see more of this content, please like and subscribe, and comment down what you think,
Alright.
and what we can do.
Oh, $20.
Beep, bop, beep, beep.
That was more expensive. Okay. I'm gonna do it, Matthew.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. We gotta wait for, item ship.
No.
Yeah,
Uh-uh.
uh-huh.
Oh, sick.
There's trees inside this rock. Can I climb the rock?
Not cool, man.
Aha, I've climbed the rock. And you have not. Okay, you have. Get down off my rock now.
No.
Uh-huh. Get off of it now. Hahaha. Oh, shit. Wait, I can place locks on doors?
What?
No, it's placed on door. I thought it's a place to lock on a door.
No.
Oh, that would be funny if I can.
That would be funny.
Oh, I want to see if I can. Just... Alright. So, when you're just normally walking and not sprinting, it shows like you've been hurt. It doing the
Oh, that's when you run out of stamina.
Oh, it is? And not just,
Yeah. Yeah, because you just did it right there.
Oh. Yeah, because you usually do that when you get hit badly. Hurt badly.
Alright.
Oh, that is nice. Alright, storage room instantly.
Fire exit.
Blocked by some pallets. This way was useless.
Well, no, it'd be pretty nice, especially if something's blocking this door.
Yeah, let's just go to the storage room.
Engine.
Let's go.
Nothing.
Yeah, I can put locks on doors.
I know.
It's sad. It would have been cool. Dude, wait stop running.
Just checking.
Away. You're running.
So that's main. Let's main this. Let's check this one out.
Yeah.
The corner. Nothing. That's for the mine.
And then let's go the way I heard the mine.
Literally the only way.
Oh my god. This is stupid.
Ooh,
Key.
key.
Ooh, key.
What's down here? There is nothing.
Hello, darkness. No, that's copyrighted.
Huh?
I swear.
There's like nothing.
I swear I heard something like drop off something or like open something.
Big sad. Let's check out down here first.
Alright.
Cause there's nothing.
It's gonna be your fault if we die. I'm just saying
No.
that. I'm placing that on you.
No.
We really need another person just to stay in the ship.
My dad will get on tonight, but I don't think he'd want to stay in the ship since it'll be his first time.
True.
Mine. Airborne.
Fire exit, another fire exit. This generator.
We keeping them on?
Yeah, it really does nothing.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
That was loud.
No, it wasn't.
Door.
Don't close the door.
I did not close. Ooh, nut.
No, nothing, kill.
Too late.
Key. Missed the key.
Okay. Bracken.
Alright, look away.
It's gone. Okay.
We
Has
go
he been
oh, I
this
I
whole
see
time?
him. I see him. He went over to like
Where is he?
He went over this way. He went over to the server room. Now the engine.
Has he been following us this whole time?
No, if he has been, he would have killed one of us. I think I just found his room.
No. What if he was
But
just...
watch your back now.
I found him. He's gone now, but I found him.
Well then, let's head back. I do not want to die while chasing a Bracken down.
Yeah, whatever's loading, whatever's happening, it's lagging my game.
It could be me recording a video.
No.
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 Well?
It was like whenever we were over there.
Oh. I'm trying to load something in.
Oops.
So where was the, fire exit we saw?
He goes up here.
Dude,
it was over here.
I heard something walking.
It's probably the Bracken.
No, I don't know what the Bracken footsteps sound like, but that did not sound like no Bracken.
Big sad.
But could have been the Bracken since that was the only guy we saw.
No!
No!
No! Oh, grab! That's a huge pit. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Is this the rock we climbed?
Yeah, that's the rock we climbed.
Oh, this shit's over here.
No, it's over this way. That's a different rock. That's the rock we climbed.
Oh, I see the ship.
Ooh, beehive.
Whoa.
You want to go after that?
Meh.
It's like
Maybe.
easy $70-$60 there.
I'll go grab it after I drop this stuff off. Yeah, when you start to run out of stamina, or you do run out of stamina, you just do the weird animation.
So put all your items in here so you don't lose any.
I had to charge it first. Go. Go. It's the tree guardian.
I hear it. I heard it stomping around.
It stared at me for a
Oh
second.
my god.
It's there.
No, I don't see it.
Oh, well, you're blind.
No,
So.
you're just imagining shit.
No, I saw it. I got spooked.
Of course you did. Of course you did. Coward. How much we need?
Big sad.
508, we have 174.
Woohoo.
Not enough. Grab your flash.
How much do we need?
We need like 400 more. Oh shit, do I already hear a tree guardian? I swear I just heard a tree guardian.
Big sad.
Yeah, I do not want to get eaten by a tree guardian.
Honestly.
It would be terrifying, not terrifying really, but still. I hate getting eaten by a tree guardian. What was that? Stop making weird noises, please.
Big sad.
Alright, so we go down. We go down into the pits of hell.
Ooh, cola. And breath.
And nothing else. Let's go. We make money. We make profit.
Cola and drugs. What a good thing to find.
We're part of the cartel now. Yeah. Maybe I I shouldn't have made that joke. I'm probably gonna have to cut that out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, show it! It looked straight into my soul.
I saw.
Let's go this way. I say we not go that way.
How come?
There's no way that way at all.
I have 2 keys.
I have a flashlight. Cola.
Nut and cola and an engine.
And a doorway.
It goes upstairs. Oh, no, an apparatus.
I haven't seen this storage room at all.
Let's take these back to the entrance and then we can grab the apparatus.
Let's try to find like a fire exit. Let's try to find that fire exit first.
Oh, more cola?
Michael! Fire exit.
What? Okay, here. Maddie. Drop everything in here.
I can take everything out and drop it outside.
Okay, you do that. Do you want me to grab the apparatus?
Sure.
Alright.
Yeah, so I don't know where we are located, really.
I don't either. Oh, well, hold on, let me see.
Yeah, I don't know at all.
Oh, it's this way.
So is there like multiple different fire exits?
No, this is the only fire exit. You know, on the outside.
No, because there's one that's like to the left of our ship. That's right down there, I think. Maybe. Yeah, over there, that way, that where I'm pointing,
Found the ship.
where I'm facing, is the one by the actual
What's up?
by the actual entrance, and then that one. So there's 3. Hey, there's actually 3 fire exits so far.
Alright, well, Maddie.
Yeah? Yep, no, that's a tree giant. No. Hey, what were you saying? Oh shit, he's not here. Oh, he's inside. Where? Where is he inside the building? Where the fuck is he? That's like the front entrance? No, I don't think so. Goodbye. Found entries. General entry.
Matthew.
Close the goddamn door now.
Why?
I hear a tree giant.
Alright, let's go then. Alright. Just tell him to text me when he gets on and I'll invite him, okay?
Who get on?
Oh, okay, then Uh, I'll invite you in a bit, okay? Yeah. Just give me a second. Yeah, I'll invite you.
You talking to Bryce?
Alright, bye. No, my dad.
Ah. But Bryce did say that he would get lethal company once he gets home.